Did somebody poop in the pool?
I didn't do anything.
Today is perfect for swimming.
Towels, sunscreen, and snacks pie. All ready.
Got my goggles, Mo! Let's go! I can't wait! I can't wait! I can't wait to get to the beach! Me neither. It's gonna be so much fun! Look, a big whale! No, it's a flamingo. No, that's yours. Look, a real one. Wow! Look!
All right, here we are.
Yay! Look, Dad, the pool!
No running near the pool. No pushing. Always be kind.
We promise.
We promise. All right.
All right. Let's go swimming. This is the cleanest pool ever. I bet I can splash higher than you.
They're having so much fun. Yes, they are. They really love this place. I brought cookies, sandwiches, apples, and juice.
Yummy! Mm-hmm.
To fold this up and we can go.
I wonder what this is.
Arf, arf, arf. Arf, arf.
Mom, the water is changing color.
The water is brown. What is going on here? Oh my goodness, look at it.
It looked clean 1 minute ago.
Everyone out! Please leave the water! Come on, let's go! Hurry!
Grab my hand.
What happened? The water, it's mud.
Everyone stand back.
Please stay calm. We are checking the water.
Look! Those are tiny puppy footprints. Oh. They're leading from the science table.
Hey, manager, check this out. Oh, nice. That's a great shot of the pool. Look, the bottle is open. And it's empty.
This isn't dirty water, Dame. It's harmless testing dye. The puppy knocked it over.
Oh, that's a relief. He's so cute.
Good news. The water is clean. It only looked brown from the safe demonstration dye.
Our eyes can trick us. Sometimes things are not what they seem. This turned into a funny day.
Next time, let's solve the mystery before we panic.
Thanks for watching our adventure.
Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our next adventure.